Dear students, in this session we are going to continue solving past year JI problems. The shortest distance between on the curve x equal to y squared equal is the shortest distance between y minus x equal to 1 and the curve x minus x equal to y squared is 3 root 2 by 8, option B 8 by 3 root 2, option C 4 by root 3, option D root 3 by 4. Y square x, that means the curve is open rightward, x equal to y squared or y equal to x. Okay, y minus x equal to 1, it makes x intercept minus 1, y intercept so y minus x equal to 1. Want to find shortest distance, take any point, find the purple distance, that is the shortest distance. Let the point be t comma t. If you take y equal t, x will be t squared. T square comma t will satisfy this curve. Let p of t comma t be any point on the parabola. Want to find perpendicular to this line. X equal to y squared or y squared equal to x 2y divided by dx equal to 1 divided by dx equal to 1 by 2y or t squared comma t divided by dx equal to 1 by 2t this is slope of tangent at P. Slope of normal at P is minus 2t. Slope of y minus x equal to 1 is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y, that is 1. In fact, these two lines are perpendicular slope of line slope of normal p equal to minus 1, they are perpendicular, so that 1 into minus 2t equal to minus 1, which implies t equal to 1 by 2. So p t squared comma t equal to 1 by 2 implies p is 1 by 4 comma 1 by 2. So short distance means perpendicular distance from point 1 by 4 comma to this line, that is the modulus of 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by root of 1 square plus minus 1 square. You take 4s LCM, 2 minus 1 minus 4 by root 2. Minus 3 by 4 root 2. 3 by 4 root 2. So 3 into root 2 by 4 into root 2 into root 2. 3 root 2 by 8. So option A is correct. Consider f of x equal to tan inverse of root of one plus sin x by 1 minus sin x. X belongs to 0 comma pi by 2. Here normal to y equal to f of x at x equal to pi by 6 also passes through the point pi by 6, 0, pi by 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2 pi by 3. Root of 1 plus sin x by sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 divided by so a plus whole squared, a minus by whole squared. If you take square root, so sin x by 2 plus in fact we can write cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole squared cos x by 2 minus, since x belongs to 0, pi by 2, x by 2 belongs to 0, pi by 4. In 0 to 45, cos value will be greater than sin x by 2. Therefore, first we have to write cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, which means cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So root of 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x equal to, if you take cos x by 2 in common, sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. The denominator cos x by 2, 1 minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. This will be cancelled. 1 plus tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan x by 2. In place of 1 you can write tan 45. 1 minus beside tan x by 2 we write tan 45. The answer has not changed since tan 40 takes value 1. So this is of the form tan a plus b. Tan pi 4 plus x by 2. So f of x equal to tan is of, in place of this you can write tan pi 4 plus x by 2. Pi 4 plus x by 2. F dash of x 0 plus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2, that is slope of tangent 1 by 2. Slope of normal, that is minus 2. This is y. X equal to pi by 6 implies y equal to pi by 4 plus 1 by 2 into pi by 6. Pi by 4 plus pi by 12. You take 12 as LCM 3 times 3 pi plus pi. That is pi by 4 plus pi by 12, that is pi by 3. So x comma y equal to pi by 6 comma pi by 3. Slope of normal minus 2. Y minus y1, that is pi by 3. Slope of the normal minus 2 into x minus x1, that is pi by 6. So y equal to minus 2x plus 2 by 6 plus pi by 3. Y equal to minus 2x plus 2 pi by 3. Among the given point, zero comma 2 by 3. If you put y x equal 0, this time will be 0. You will get 2 by 3. If you substitute here 2 by 3. So 0 comma 2 by 3. satisfies this equation. So normal passes through 0, 2/3. So option D is correct. A wire of length 2 units is cut into 2 parts. Which are bent respectively to form a square of side x units. And circle of radius or units. If the sum of the areas of the square and the circle so formed is minimum, then so first option x equal to r, second option 2x equal to r, third option 2x equal to pi plus 4 into r, fourth option 4 minus pi into x plus 4 minus pi into x equal to pi r. So total length of wire, that is 2 units. So we have to make 2 parts. One is to make a square, another is a circle. Its length is x, radius is R. So the perimeter of these two should be equal to 2. So perimeter of square plus perimeter of circle equal to 2. That is 4x plus 2 pi r equal to, which implies 2x plus pi r equal to 1. Sum of areas S equal to, for square we know that x squared, for circle we have pi r squared. So 2x plus pi r equal to 1, 2x equal to 1 minus pi r, x equal to 1 minus pi r by 2. So S equal to x squared, that is 1 minus pi r by 2 the whole square plus pi r squared. You first find differentiation with respect to r. So 2 into 1 minus pi r by 2 into, you have differential term inside, that is minus pi. The answer will be 0 for differentiating 1. If you differentiate this term, minus pi. Here again 2 pi r. This will be cancelled. Here we have minus pi by 2. 0 minus pi by 2 we have here. So minus pi by 2 plus pi squared r by 2 plus 2 pi r. D square is by dr square. Here constant 0 plus pi square to r value 1 plus 2 pi, which is greater than 0. Sign derivative positive, which implies sum of areas is minimum. So ds by dr equal to 0. For extreme values, first derivative should be equal to 0. So minus pi by 2 plus pi squared r by 2 plus 2 pi r equal to 0. Divided by pi, that is minus 1 by 2 plus pi r by 2 plus 2r equal to 0. Pi r plus 4r by 2 equal to 1 by 2. Bring minus 1 by this side, you take LCM, pi r plus 4r. This will be cancelled. R into pi plus 4 equal to 1. R equal to 1 by pi plus 4. Previously we had a step 2x plus pi r equal to 1. 2x plus pi in place of r we take 1 by pi plus 4 equal to 1. One minus pi by pi plus 4. So 2x equal to pi by pi plus 4. X equal to 2 by pi plus 4. 2 into 1 by pi, this is nothing but r, 2r. So x equal to 2r. So option A is correct. The intercept on x-axis made by tangents to the curve y equal to 0 to x modulus dt x belongs to R, which are parallel to the line y equal to 2xr. Equal to plus or minus 1, that is plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 4. First we have to find the slope of the tangent. So y equal to 0 to x modulus t dt. So dy by dx. Applying Leibniz formula, we discussed the previous session. When you have to differentiate under integral sign, t should be replaced by x into dy by dx of x. Then applying lower limit, the answer will be 0. Applying upper limits and differentiate upper limit minus apply lower limit and differentiate lower limit. That is modulus x. dy by dx equal to modulus x. Tangents are parallel to y equal to x. Slope equal to, therefore dy by dx should be equal to 2. Modulus x equal to x equal to plus or minus 2. So y equal to plus or minus 2 2. If you integrate 0 to 2, if you take 0 to 2 t dt, t square by 2, that is 4 by 2, 2. Minus 2 means minus 2 to 0 d dt. T square by 2 minus 2 to 0, 0 minus 4 by 2, that is minus 2. So y also plus or minus 2. So points are two comma 2, minus 2 comma minus 2. Y minus y1 equals slope m 2 into x minus 2 or if you take this point y plus 2 slope m 2 into x plus 2. To get x intercept, put y equal to 0, minus 2 y minus 2 2 equal to x minus 2 or 2 equal to 2 into x plus 2. This will be cancelled. Minus 1 equal to x minus 2. 1 equal to x plus 2. So x equal to minus 1 plus 2. X equal to 1 minus 2. X equal to 1, x equal to minus 1. So x equal to plus or minus 1. So option A is correct. A line is drawn through the point 1, 2 to meet the coordinate axis at P and Q. Such that it forms a triangle OPQ where O is the origin. If the area of the triangle OPQ is least then slope of the line PQ is option A -1/4, option B -4, option C -2, option D -1/2. the line through one comma 2 is y minus y1, that is 2. We don't know the slope, m into x minus 1. So the line meets the coordinate axis at P and Q. Let this point be x1 comma 0. or x comma 0. P of x comma 0 satisfies this equation, which implies minus 2 the m into x minus 1. From this, m equal to minus 2 by x minus 1. Or x minus 1 equal to minus 2 by m, x equal to 1 minus 2 by m. So OP equal to, that is x equal to 1 minus 2 by m. So this is 1 minus 2 by m comma 0. Q of this point 0 comma y satisfies this equation. So y minus 2 equal to m into 0 minus 1. Y minus 2 equal to minus m. Y equal to 2 minus m. So this is 0 comma 2 minus m. Area of triangle OPQ equal to half into OP into OQ. That is OQ equal to 2 minus m. Half into OP 1 minus 2 by m into OQ 2 minus m. One by 2, 2 into 1, 2 minus 4 by m minus m plus 2. 1 by 2, 4 minus m plus 4 by m. So 2 minus m by 2 minus 2 by m. Let's f of m equal delta equal to 2 minus m by 2 minus 2 by m. in terms of m, that's why we named as f of m. F dash of m 0 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 into minus 1 by m squared, that is minus 1 by 2 plus 2 by m squared. F double dash m 0 plus 2 into minus 2 by m cube, that is minus 4 by m cube. F dash m equal to 0 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 by m squared equal to 0, 2 by m squared equal to 1 by 2, m squared equal to 4, m equal to plus or minus 2. F double dash of minus 2 equal to minus 4 by minus 8, that is 1 by 2, which is greater than 0. So when m takes value minus 2, the area is minimum. So area is minimum when m equal to minus 2, that is when slope equal to slope of PQ is minus 2. So we will discuss more sums. We will continue solving past tense questions next session. Thank you.